Hello and welcome to All Taste German. This German apricot cake with white chocolate almond topping is not only delicious, but is one of the fastest cakes you can put together. If you are interested to learn some German, you will see first the English and then the German term for the ingredients used in this recipe. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Add all ingredients for the dough into a bowl and mix to a smooth batter. Mehl, Eier, Zucker, Butter, Zitronensaft, Sahne, Vanillezucker, Backpulver, Salz, Then spray a casserole dish with cooking spray and fill in the batter. Drain the apricots and arrange them on top of the batter. My apricot halves were very soft, and I could not arrange them nicely, but the taste was still wonderful. You can also use any other fruit you have on hand. Sprinkle with sliced almonds and white chocolate chips. Then you just need to bake the cake for about 50 minutes. Leave the cake in the casserole dish to cool completely and then sprinkle it with powdered sugar. Serve with heavy whipping cream and/or vanilla ice cream. Guten Appetit!